Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna be doing the types of sneezes part 2.
So let's get started. Go ahead.
So the one that tries to sneeze with their headset on.
The one that
Part 2. Alright, you next.
When your headphones sneeze. Shut up! I can still hear it.
The one that sneezes with their deodorant. Oh, that's good. Ow!
We are going to take a 10-second break, just really fast. Grab the basketball, and then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, so the one that sneezes very loud. Achoo!
The loud for no reason.
The one that falls by their sneeze. Achoo!
The powerful sneezer.
The one that sneezes on their fan.
Rewind that. Alright.
The one that sneezes on their fan.
Alright. Bye-bye. One of basketball sneezes. Kobe.
The one that sneezes on their TV.
The one that your mom.
The one that sneezes while they're taking their clothes off.
The rich sneezer. Ooh, money. Let's go.
The one that sticks their tongue out when they're sneezing.
The one that makes an ugly face before they sneeze. You know what I'm talking about.
The burp sneeze.
You're like, what? The burp sneeze fart. Also known as the snort.
The one that sneezes on their. The one that sneezes on their own book.
On their own. The comedian that tries to be a comedian, but hey, I'm gonna have to need you for this one too. Okay. The one that makes you the person that makes you not sneeze.
Fireball! Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe.
You actually thought. No, it's not the end. You already know that. So, start doing another one. One more for each of us. Hey, no.
The one that sneezes on their own toy car.
Hey, Anna, I'm sorry, you do that next. Actually, just do it.
The one that sneezes on their car.
The one that sneezes to make water go red. Okay. I'm gonna just drink this even though that was. Oh, that nasty. the Chuck E. Cheese player. Yeah, I'm gonna swipe it in.